Hey everybody, it's grill cleaning day. Look at this nasty grill grate. Yeah, I let it go way too long. I brush it in between cooks, but usually I give it a good thorough cleaning a couple of times a year, and this is one of those times. So in this one here, I'm experimenting around. I went down that rabbit hole on YouTube of how to clean your grill grates, and this was one thing I tried. It was a video I saw of a woman that had a really bad stainless steel pan. It was black, like a greasy and burn up and everything on the bottom. And so she just wet it down, put salt on it, which is what I'm doing here on the grill grate, putting salt on it. And then she used baking soda, put baking soda on it, and get that all spread around. And like I said, this is an experiment. I wasn't really too sure if it was going to work or not, but I thought, well, I'll give it a try. See what happens and record the video while I was doing it. And then here I'm salting the bottom side. And then some more baking soda. And then dishwashing liquid, like Dawn, any kind of dishwashing liquid. This is stuff we get at Sam's Club, which is probably made by Dawn, I don't know. But it seems to work just as good. And so yeah, I'm just spreading the soap around. And then the next thing she did on the pan, so I did it on the grill grate, was paper towels. She laid a paper towel over it. And so I cover it up with paper towels here. And I'm sopping up the excess down on the bottom and flipping it over so it kind of touches the bottom of the grate. I said this was just an experiment here, and I thought I'd record it and show you how it turned out, so you don't have to waste your time if you don't want to. If you see the same video and you think, oh, this works great. Because in that video, she, after I think it was like 20 minutes, she took a towel and just everything wiped off perfectly clean. And now I'm pouring white vinegar, just pure white vinegar, soaking the paper towels with it, and then let it sit. And so I got all that done, and I let it sit for, I think it was about a half an hour, maybe 45 minutes. And I could tell already, because I didn't see, the paper towels are, you can see they're still mostly white. So it really wasn't doing anything to lift that heavy grease buildup off of the grates. I'm wiping it around here with the paper towel. The paper towel should be black at this point if it was working good, but you can see it wasn't. So I grabbed my one of my grill brushes, and I just went to town trying to get some of that heavy buildup off of it with the wire brush, and I did manage to get quite a bit of it off doing that. You'll see it on this plastic tote lid here when I flip it up. See all those chunks down there I managed to get off of it. Like I said, it was really bad. I really let it get bad. I shouldn't have let it get that bad before I had to do it, clean it up. But like I said, this was an experiment, and this is the salt, baking soda, Dawn dishwashing soap, and then vinegar. And I switched over to a piece of steel wool here to see if that worked any better than the brush, and it got a little bit of it off, but still not the greatest. So in this next scene here, this is after I rinsed it, and you can see it still has a bunch of buildup on it. I mean, it got a lot of it, but there's still a lot of it there. So on to plan B. Plan B now, after the grill grate is all rinsed off, everything's cleaned up there. I'm just taking paper towels and covering up the grate, wrapping the grate up basically in paper towels. And this is experiment number 2. Tuck them underneath there. And here we have ammonia, lemon ammonia. And so you want to do this in a well-ventilated area, that's for sure. Ammonia fumes are terrible. I was outside, obviously, doing this, so it wasn't too bad. But yeah, I just soaked it real good with ammonia, and now I'm taking a trash bag and I'm putting the whole thing inside of a trash bag and twisting it up. And then I'm going to take it over here out in the sun. It was a hot day that day. This is the grill. I was working on that while the grate was soaking in the sun with the ammonia. I started taking some various cleaners and stuff to try and scrub up all the mess inside the grill. There's a slot in the back there. There's a grease pan that you can slide out of the back. Okay, here it is after about an hour in the sun. I wanted to check the progress. I put my respirator on because I knew the fumes were going to be bad. And the unveiling to see if it's actually doing anything. And right away I could see the paper towels have a little discolor to them. So I knew it was working. You can see that little bit of brownish color to the paper towels. And I'm wiping it and you can see it's coming off, but not real easy. So I decided to wrap it back up and put it out in the sun. And I left it out there for another 3 hours. And then what I should have done was just let it sit in there for 24 hours, you know. They say when you use ammonia to clean an oven in the house, to put a cup of ammonia just the vapors, because that's what's actually working, because it's, you know, ammonia is a gas. And here it is done after it's rinsed and everything after 3 hours. Like I said, I should have done a little bit longer, but it came out okay. And there it is.